Dude, have you ever seen those neon sea slugs, nudibranchs? They're like underwater Pac-Men gobbling jellyfish and anemones, but here's the crazy part. Instead of getting stung, they steal the prey's nematocysts, those tiny stinging cells, and stash them in their own body tips called serrata. Then when a predator tries to bite, it gets zapped by the slug's borrowed venom. It's like they go on a jellyfish shopping spree and come back armed to the teeth. Talk about turning your dinner into body armor. Nature's ultimate upcycling hack.